Beenie Man, you're king of the dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect and honor you. I mean, you use a birth specialist. I'm a first number one.
We just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Uno member fi subscribe. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Big up Jamaica Extra Nation, and if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, hit the like button. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we want to take a second to talk about this whole situation about the king of the dancehall, right? And of course, you know, so dancehall music is something that originated in Jamaica, if you didn't know by now. But we want to talk about this because we see the other day that Beenie Man put something on him Instagram, and he basically chose some word. I don't know what he call Humpty Dumpty, but he definitely said that in the song. So listen again, make a play it for you.
We just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, no rich, me wealthy. Exercise, me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
No, from that song now, people, he never call no name, but he definitely say Humpty Dumpty, and he might call somebody Humpty Dumpty in the song. Now, you know, me want to say I can't tell him attack. I will never say it out front, because to tell you the truth, you don't know say Kartel get a forward from one of them there, and it really a pressure a lot of them artists. I feel like say some of them bad mind. Me not call Beenie Man bad mind per se, because I know say dancehall music is a thing where you have to show say you are the biggest and the baddest. So me I deal with. But where was all of this when Kartel did get locked up? And that's the thing, you know, people. You have to look on them something here. So me I say, but me don't know what go on right now. But Kartel definitely not give Beenie no energy right now when it come to that, cause the man basically say him a deal with money, family and God right now. Him not deal with this. You understand? The year does start and him not look no clash. And this Kartel really did have to say about the whole situation. And now listen here.
And that's come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you guys a nation, nothing could be further from the truth. Yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing with right now. Family, business, money, and God. Yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here.
Yes, people, so you hear that on yourself, right? Man, say him now have no time for clash. I just positivity man deal with right now. You understand? Just money, family, business, and God. So can't blame Vybz Kartel for them something. They are positive thing that is. So me I say him not really want to go in on a clash thing right now with Beenie Man or no other artists. Really, to tell you the truth, Vybz Kartel really not have nothing to prove at this point. You understand? If somebody can be locked up behind bars for 13, 14 years and still dominate them occupation, yes, what I say? You don't know say the man is a music man, because them the man they behind bars and still make hits after hits after hits. How you do it, brother? Yes, what I say? You have to just give ratings where ratings is due. Now, Beenie Man should not look for clash the man right now, because if I tell you the truth, Beenie Man is a good artist in himself. You understand? Beenie Man are DJ from Beenie Man a little pitney. So me I say for them a little boy. So can't take none from them man. Them man they a big man in the business, and you don't know, all due respect for all of the artists them. So me I say, but can't look for tear down another artist right now because he might get him shine, because he definitely deserve him shine, you know. Man definitely put in the work, and as such, you know, nothing wrong if, you know, y'all billboard give him a little feature and all them something there. Right now he might get, you know, ready for another tour in a well, not a tour still, but he might go perform at some show. I know that in the summertime. You understand? So I know some money I have to make. You understand? And that the artist them for free right now. I just money, you know, for free and positivity. No foolishness for the new year. So me I say, I want to think about that. Me your own opinion upon that too. Yeah, so me I say more So no put in the comments in the comment section below and tell me what you feel. If you feel say I right thing the man I pray, or you know, if you clash Beenie Man said way, said speed. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and till the next video, you know, I'm out.